you felt you could start over new was the same that you realized the stories were true. You opened your eyes and the world you could see wasn't dim, it was brighter. You'd have to agree. It can happen so fast, like you step on a train. By the time you get off, you swear everything's changed. No trick of the light, but how you know it was true when it's hard to explain. You were held by the view where the old chapter's over and a new one begins. No room for composure. Now the door is open wide and you're walking in. And oh, now your fears are gone. They were buried with the dawn. And oh, now you feel alive for the first time. And you're not home yet, not home yet. No, you're not home yet. No, not home. But you finally found the way back. So you're on your way back. You got nothing to prove. You got all that you need. You got nothing to lose. Cause now all of your days, if it's well understood, they'll be working together forever for good. Now the long night is over, morning begins. You can't keep your composure. Now the door is open wide and you're walking in. And oh, now your fears are gone. They were buried with the dawn. And oh, now you feel alive for the first time. And you're not home yet, not home yet. No, you're not home yet. Finally found the way back. Calling back to the open door. What you waiting for? It takes your eyes open wide, soul ignites. Calling back to the open door. What you waiting for? It takes your eyes open wide, your soul ignites. They were buried with the dawn. And oh, now you feel alive for the very first time. Oh, now your fears are gone. They were buried with the dawn. And oh, now you feel alive for the first time. Not home yet, not home yet. No, you're not home yet. No, not home, but you finally found the way back.